mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about fractions, more specifically about reciprocals. To get us started, let's talk about the definition of what reciprocals are. So reciprocals are any two numbers that have a product of 1. That means that two reciprocals, when multiplied, would equal 1. So here I have 3/4. In order to find the reciprocal of 3/4, what I have to do is flip the numerator and the denominator. So notice here that the denominator was 4, but that's now our numerator for our reciprocal, and our numerator is 3, but that's now our denominator for our reciprocal, okay? So in order to find a reciprocal, we're going to flip the fraction. And just to confirm that these are reciprocals, we're going to go ahead and multiply and test out if their product is in fact 1. So when we multiply fractions, we do numerator times numerator. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And then we do denominator times denominator, and 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 12 over 12 simplifies to 1 because we have 12 shaded parts out of 12, making that a whole, okay? So this confirms that 3/4 and 4/3 are reciprocals of each other. The reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3, and the reciprocal of 4/3 is 3/4. So here we're given 4 out of 5. In order to find its reciprocal, we're going to flip this fraction. So the numerator is going to go to the denominator, and the denominator is going to go to the numerator, and that's going to look like this. Just to confirm that these are in fact reciprocals of each other, we're going to multiply and see what we get. So for our numerator, 4 times 5 is equal to 20, and for our denominator, 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 20 over 20 simplifies to 1. So that means that 4 over 5 and 5 over 4 are reciprocals of each other. So the reciprocal of 4/5 is 5 over 4, and the reciprocal of 5 over 4 is 4/5. So let's do 1/7. So the reciprocal of 1/7, we're going to have to flip the numerator and the denominator, giving us 7 over 1. Now, 7 over 1 is also equivalent to just 7. It's just 7 written in fraction form. So the reciprocal of 1 over 7 is 7. So let's multiply and see what we get. 1 times 7 is equal to 7, and 7 times 1 is equal to 7. 7 over 7 simplifies to 1. So this means that 1/7 and 7 are reciprocals of each other. The reciprocal of 1 over 7 is 7 over 1, which is just 7, and the reciprocal of 7 is equal to 1 over 7. All right, let's do our final example, 8. In order to find the reciprocal, we're going to first write this in fraction form because we're going to have to flip the numerator and the denominator, and here we have a whole number. So to make it easier, we're going to write this as 8 over 1. And now to find the reciprocal, we're going to flip the numerator and the denominator, making that 1 over 8. So the reciprocal of 8 is 1 over 8. We're going to multiply to just confirm. 8 times 1 is equal to 8, and 1 times 8 is equal to 8. And then if we simplify that, we get 1. So this means that 8 and 1/8 are reciprocals of each other. The reciprocal of 8 is 1/8, and the reciprocal of 1/8 is 8. And that's it for reciprocals.